Hello, I'm Dr. Sarah Williams here in the UK. If you wake up with stiff knees, aching hips, or joints that feel older than you are,
Many people believe joint pain is simply a part of getting older, something you must accept and live with. But medically speaking, that's not entirely true. Riches. In my clinical work, I've seen how simple nutritional choices can directly influence inflammation, muscle strength, and today I'm going to explain how certain types of yogurt can support your joints, reduce stiffness, and help you move more comfortably, using science, not trends.
Are you fed up with waking up to stiff, aching knees? Do your joints hurt whenever you climb the stairs or bend down to pick something up? What if something as simple, affordable, and enjoyable as yogurt could help ease arthritis pain, strengthen weak legs, and improve joint comfort? It may sound surprising, but stay with me, because what you're about to learn could genuinely improve your daily life. Imagine moving more freely again, without that constant discomfort in your knees and hips. Picture walking farther, spending quality time with your grandchildren, or simply getting through the day without pain every time you stand up. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, you're in exactly the right place. This channel is dedicated to sharing practical, science-backed health advice specifically for people over 50 who want to stay active, independent, and pain-free for as long as possible. If that sounds like you, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates. The information we share here could be exactly what you've been searching for. And today's fourth yogurt is something most people have never even heard of. Let's begin with the first yogurt that can support joint health and leg strength, one you've likely seen countless times at the supermarket. The first yogurt on our list is Greek yogurt. But this isn't just another breakfast option. Greek yogurt is a true nutritional powerhouse that deserves far more recognition than it gets. Its thick, creamy texture isn't just appealing, it signals concentrated nutrition. Greek yogurt contains nearly double the protein of regular yogurt, delivering up to 20 grams of high-quality protein in a single cup. Why is protein so important for joint and leg health? As we age, muscle loss becomes unavoidable. After the age of 50, we can lose up to 8% of muscle mass per decade. This loss has a direct impact on joint health because muscles act as natural support systems. The muscles in your thighs, hips, and calves function like shock absorbers for your knees and hip joints. When these muscles are strong, they reduce strain on the joints. The protein in Greek yogurt provides your body with the building blocks it needs to preserve and rebuild this essential muscle tissue. Greek yogurt is also rich in calcium and vitamin D, two nutrients that work together to maintain strong bones. Healthy bones provide a stable foundation for cartilage, ligaments, and connective tissues. Without enough vitamin D, calcium absorption is reduced, making their combination especially valuable. Here's where Greek yogurt becomes even more impressive. It contains probiotics that do far more than support digestion. Research now shows that probiotics play a key role in reducing inflammation throughout the body, and inflammation is a primary driver of arthritis pain. These beneficial bacteria help regulate the immune system and lower inflammatory markers in the bloodstream. Studies have shown that probiotics can reduce C-reactive protein, a key indicator of inflammation in people with arthritis. Greek yogurt is also extremely versatile. You can enjoy it plain, add berries for antioxidants, include nuts for healthy fats, blend it into smoothies, or use it as a substitute for sour cream. Some people enjoy it with a little honey and cinnamon for a nourishing treat. It's affordable, widely available, and easy to include in your daily routine. Simply keep it in the fridge and make it a habit. But as effective as Greek yogurt is, it's only the beginning. The next yogurt takes joint support to another level by including a golden ingredient used for thousands of years in traditional medicine and now supported by modern science. Let's move on to the second yogurt, which goes beyond basic nutrition and enters the realm of natural therapeutic support. This option isn't always found on supermarket shelves, but it's very easy to prepare at home. This is turmeric-infused yogurt, a combination that has gained increasing attention for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. The key compound in turmeric is curcumin. This bright yellow substance has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and research now confirms its effectiveness. Curcumin is one of the most potent natural anti-inflammatory compounds known. Multiple studies show that curcumin can reduce joint pain, improve mobility, and slow the progression of arthritis, particularly in adults over 50. For those dealing with swollen, painful joints, it offers support without the side effects associated with many medications. However, curcumin has one challenge: it's poorly absorbed on its own. This is where yogurt becomes essential. Curcumin is fat-soluble, meaning it requires healthy fats for proper absorption. Full-fat yogurt provides the ideal delivery system, significantly increasing curcumin's effectiveness. The probiotics in yogurt also support gut health, which is closely linked to chronic inflammation and autoimmune conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis. A healthier gut helps regulate immune responses and naturally lowers inflammation. To enhance absorption even further, add a small pinch of black pepper. Piperine, found in black pepper, can increase curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. You can enjoy turmeric yogurt sweetened with honey and cinnamon, or savory as a dip or dressing. Many people find it just as effective as over-the-counter anti-inflammatory medications without digestive side effects. If you wake up with stiff knees or swollen joints, this could become a valuable daily routine. But even with protein and anti-inflammatory support, joints still need one more crucial element: lubrication. This brings us to the third yogurt. If you experience constant stiffness, grinding joints, or painful movement, you're not alone. The third option, omega-3 fortified yogurt, may be exactly what your body needs. Omega-3 fortified yogurt is designed to support joint lubrication and reduce stiffness. Omega-3 fatty acids, found naturally in fish, flaxseed, and walnuts, are well known for heart health, but they're equally important for joints. Research shows that omega-3s, particularly EPA and DHA, reduce joint stiffness, swelling, and cartilage breakdown. They also stimulate the production of synovial fluid, the natural lubricant that allows joints to move smoothly. Without enough synovial fluid, joints become painful due to friction. Omega-3s help restore this lubrication, making movement easier and less painful. You can buy omega-3 fortified yogurt or make your own by adding ground flaxseed, chia seeds, or high-quality fish oil to plain yogurt. When combined with yogurt's probiotics and calcium, omega-3s provide a powerful dual benefit, reducing inflammation while improving joint mobility and leg strength. But even with protein, probiotics, turmeric, and omega-3s, there's still one yogurt that stands out above the rest. The fourth and final yogurt is Collagen-Boosting Yogurt, and it addresses joint health at a structural level. Collagen is the primary building block of cartilage, ligaments, tendons, and connective tissue. These structures determine whether joints move smoothly or painfully. Collagen production begins to decline as early as the mid-20s, and by the 50s and 60s, levels can drop by as much as 50%. This decline contributes to cartilage thinning, joint instability, and increased pain. Collagen-enhanced yogurts provide nutrients that support collagen synthesis, helping rebuild connective tissue from within. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production. Zinc supports tissue repair. Amino acids such as glycine and proline form collagen structure. Many yogurts now include collagen peptides, which are easier to absorb and use. You can also make your own by adding collagen powder to high-protein Greek yogurt, along with berries for vitamin C and seeds for zinc. Clinical studies show that collagen supplementation can reduce joint pain, improve flexibility, and even increase cartilage thickness in some cases, particularly in weight-bearing joints like the knees and hips. Collagen also benefits skin, hair, nails, digestion, posture, and circulation. Its effects extend throughout the body, supporting overall resilience and recovery. Collagen yogurt works best when combined with the other yogurts we've discussed. Protein strengthens muscles, turmeric reduces inflammation, omega-3s lubricate joints, probiotics support immune balance, and collagen helps rebuild damaged tissue. This approach doesn't just manage symptoms, it supports true structural repair. And the best part is accessibility. These ingredients are easy to find and affordable. Healing doesn't have to be complicated. If your knees ache on the stairs, your hips feel stiff in the morning, or your hands hurt after everyday tasks, remember this. Sometimes relief doesn't come from removing something, but from restoring what your body truly needs. When your yogurt contains protein, probiotics, omega-3s, and collagen, you're not just eating, you're supporting healing from the inside out. Consistency is key. Small daily habits create lasting change. If you found this information helpful, please like the video, share it with someone who may benefit, and subscribe to the channel. Here at Dr. Sarah Williams, we're committed to helping you move better, feel stronger, and live well at every stage of life. Thank you for watching, and remember, one mindful spoonful a day can make a genuine difference to your joints and overall well-being.